నా పేరు కృష్ణ కుమార్. మా వైఫ్ ప్రసన్న లక్ష్మి. I am a postgraduate in engineering. I did computer science and I joined DRDO as a scientist in Hyderabad. So as part of this building construction, I just thought of really looking at what stage I need to really engage the interiors. I was not really having any idea. So I just looked around very famous interior companies like Lightspace and others, and a lot of companies, and a lot of people also suggested different interior companies. My neighbors suggested that LH Interiors looks to be very promising in terms of the quality and the pricing. So both factors are really important for me. So I just had a chat with Imran and his manager Salman also. So LH Interiors వాళ్ళని అడిగితే they said for everything what you just name it, పెయింటింగా, టైల్సింగా, లేకపోతే ఫాల్ సీలింగా, లేకపోతే వుడ్ వర్క్, ఎలక్ట్రికల్ వర్క్, ఈవెన్ ఎయిర్ కండిషనింగ్, ఎనీథింగ్ including the interior furnishing work also, they said they are really ready. Appudu I felt very happy because I was having lot of doubts. Whether they will be able to really do it, at what stage they should be able to do it, or I need to really do something on my own and all. Kani initially they came to the site and they had really seen what kind of interiors can be proposed, which should be really cost effective and very elegant. So they have really gone through and their design team has really worked out very nicely and very meticulously they planned out all the rooms, hall, kitchen, dining hall, all bedrooms. If you really see that drawing, whatever they really proposed, it was really amazing. So I thought I should really go with it. So because their previous projects also they had really shown and I was very much impressed. And though initially the cost was not known, after proposing the drawings and the quality of materials what they are really proposing, it was really fantastic. I should really appreciate for their design team. So they had really proposed excellent with very cost effective solutions. That is really impressive. ఇంట్లో ఓవరాల్గా చూసుకుంటే the main the living room I was really focusing more how it should be really, because most of the visitors and the family members will be sitting here and they will be really spending more time. So I was looking what kind of a design is going to be really working out well for our family. ఆ విధంగా చూస్తే design team they have really put excellent efforts given the design, especially the TV panel and the side crockery unit and all, no? So they are very decent because nothing should be really visible. We should not be really shabby from outside. We should be very elegant. So those aspects were really very clear. That's what actually I felt. ఇప్పుడు తర్వాత బెడ్రూమ్స్లో మాస్టర్ బెడ్రూమ్, because most of the time I used to really spend in the master bedroom because I have got a TV. So I should be able to really spend my time looking at the TV. Most of the times I used to really go through some of the magazines. So I should have a comfortable space and still very ample roomy should be there. They have really shown TV panel and the storage space. It is really amazing on both sides.
ఇంట్లో కిచెన్ బాగా నచ్చింది. చాలా చిన్న స్పేస్ అయినా స్టోరేజ్ అది చాలా చక్కగా చేశారు. తర్వాత పూజ కప్బోర్డు చాలా మోడర్న్గా చాలా బాగా చేశారు. సో డైనింగ్ ఏరియా అన్నీ అంటే స్టోరేజ్ ఇంట్లో చాలా చక్కగా కవర్ చేశారు. అది బాగా నచ్చింది.
When the visitors and all know they came, they were really surprised. Everybody felt very happy. I highly recommend LH Interiors for the customers who really look for the quality of the work and the pricing. On both pieces, I think blindly you can really approach LH Interiors. They have got plenty of options. based on the cost, they can really design, and the material selection also, they have got a very wide variety of material selection areas. They will suggest. So this is the best place, I should say. LH Interiors looks to be the very promising for most of the customers. Recently, I came to know that LH Interiors also entered into the construction. I have seen some of their projects, because some of their projects looks to be in the execution phase, and their project execution team, I interacted with them. ఈ ఇంటీరియర్ వర్క్ చూసిన తర్వాత నా స్ట్రాంగ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్, మై స్ట్రాంగ్ సిన్సియర్ అడ్వైజ్ ఏంటంటే, whoever is really looking for the construction along with this interiors, they can approach LH Interiors. I highly recommend for them. Thank you.